The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, heralded as one of the most significant releases of 2024, has emerged as the top contender for the title of the best smartphone yet. Boasting extensive AI integration coupled with the formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out as a true powerhouse in the world of smartphones. Since its grand unveiling, Samsung has been dedicated to enhancing the user experience through a series of updates, striving to refine the device to perfection. Recently, we have seen many users returning their devices due to various issues like camera transition problems, speaker problems, display vividness problems, and a few others. That is why Samsung has been going at full speed to fix all the issues people are facing. We all know that Samsung has maintained its reputation for staying ahead in the realm of software updates, with the Galaxy S24 series now receiving its second update shortly after the initial camera enhancement update rolled out last month. This latest update, currently making its way to S24 users across Europe, primarily focuses on strengthening security measures and enhancing overall stability. The update package for the S24 Ultra weighs in at a substantial 756 MB, while some users have reported a slightly lighter download size of 441 MB. A noteworthy addition, bundled with this update, is the inclusion of the March security patch, further fortifying the device against potential vulnerabilities. While more detailed information regarding the update is anticipated, Galaxy S24 users in Europe are encouraged to manually check for the software update within the settings menu if they have not yet received a notification. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra continues to impress with its relentless pursuit of excellence, solidifying its position as the frontrunner in the competitive smartphone market. With each update, Samsung reaffirms its commitment to delivering an unparalleled user experience, ensuring that Galaxy S24 users can enjoy the latest features and enhanced security measures. So, are you a Samsung S24 series user? Do you think the S24 Ultra deserves to be the best smartphone of the year? What is your opinion about the camera of the device? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.